Hey everyone, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗆. I'm Sanjay. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install a page template to your WordPress website. So let's get into the video. So in order to add a custom page template on your WordPress website, you need to install a custom plugin. For that, hover over to plugins and select add new. Then in the search bar, search for Elements Kit. Now install the first one, which says Elements Kit Elementor add-ons. After the installation, click on the activate button. Okay, now hover over to pages and click on add new. Close this box and type in your page title. Okay, I'm gonna create a page named project. After that, click on publish. Now click on edit with Elementor. And if you don't have the Elementor plugin installed, please do install the Elementor plugin first. You can simply go to plugins, add new and search for Elementor. Now here you can see that we already have our header and footer section. Now click on the Elements Kit icon. Here you can see a lot of page templates. You can select anyone which are free. Okay, some are premium and some are free. If you hover over a template, you can check whether if it's a premium one or a free one. If it's a premium one, it will say something like go premium, and if it's a free one, it will say insert. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, if you wanna see the preview of this template, click on live preview. Okay, now I'm gonna insert this template. So click on insert. Okay, now you can see that the page is loading. It may take some time. Okay, our page template has been successfully installed. So that's how we install a free page template on your WordPress website. Now what if you want to add a custom section to your WordPress website? For that, just scroll down to the area where you want to add that particular section and click on the plus icon which says add section. Now click on the Elements Kit icon. Now instead of pages, select sections, and here you can see a lot of sections are here. Select the category and you can select any of this category. I'm going on with the image box. Okay, select any one of this image box. I'm selecting the first one. Okay, our custom section has been added. So that's how we add a custom section to our page. Now click on the update button. Now to visit our page, I am typing my domain with the page name I have created, which is projects. Okay, here you can see that our page is ready and the section we have added is here. So that's how we add a custom section and a custom page template on our WordPress website. Now if you see the menu section, the page that we have created now is not there. So we need to add that page to our menu. For that, click on customize. Then click on menus. Now select main menu. Now click on add items and select the page that we have created, which is projects. Now you can see that the page projects have been added. Now if you want to change the position of that page in the menu, just drag and place anywhere in the menu section. Then click publish. Now click on this crossbar to close this customization page. Now you can see that our projects page have been added to the menu. So that's it for the video. That's how we add a custom page section and a custom page template on your WordPress website. If you have any doubts related to this video, I'll provide my contact details below, so you can just contact me. And also I will be providing the social media handles of 𝗏𝗏𝗆. You can follow it too. If this video helped you guys, please give me a thumbs up and also make sure you click on that subscribe button. So that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.